show. Her Reuben Singer-designed leather and lace number would make just about anyone want to be her. Touchdown Bay! Beyoncé loves peekaboo gowns, and we love her in them. She looked absolutely flawless at the 2014 Grammys in a body-bearing Michael Costello couture gown. That floral design could not have been more perfectly placed. Who run the world? Queen Bee, of course, especially when she wears barely their outfits like this. They wowed the crowd at the 2011 Billboard Music Awards not only with her elaborate performance, but also with this chain web bodysuit. Beyoncé sauntered down the red carpet at the 2007 Golden Globes in a slinky number with a plunging neckline and body-hugging silhouette. No doubt about it, the Dreamgirls star looked like a dream come true. Beyoncé was at her Sasha fiercest at the 2009 Europe Music Awards. From her red-hot bodysuit to her garter belt, she simply oozed sex appeal. Ring the alarm, cause Bey's on fire. We were shocked when Beyoncé dropped her self-titled album out of the blue in 2013. But it wasn't so surprising that she stepped out looking super sexy at the album's release party. Her Tom Ford mini dress with matching thigh-high boots would leave anyone drunk in love. And those were some of Beyoncé's all-time sexiest looks.